Hello, welcome back to Math&Me with me, Nikhila, Sankar. So let's get into conic sections. Okay. So first, we are going to deal with circles. So first, circles. So you have a circle whose center is at h, k, and there's another point on the circle which I denote by x, y. So what is the equation of the circle? I have x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So this is the equation of a circle. Okay, I'm not going to explain all the proofs, but basically you get this by using the distance formula. Distance formula is r equals root of y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 the whole square. If squaring on both sides, okay. So by using the distance formula that you learned in straight lines, you get the desired equation. Okay. So now let's solve some example questions. So I have example 1, which is find the equation of the circle with center 0, 0 and radius to be r. Okay. So what is your general equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. In the 0, 0 and h, k, your center is basically h, k, which is 0, 0. Up h oda value 0, k oda value 0. So substituting that here, I have x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equals r square. So I have x square plus y square equals r square. You just have to substitute the values that you have in the equation of the circle. So this one equation you will use for the whole circle or example, exercise, everything. Okay. Example 2. Find the equation of a circle with center, that is h, k is minus 3, 2 and radius is 4. What is your equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. So what do I have? X minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals r square and 4 square. So I have x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals 16. So when I open the bracket, what do I have? X square plus 9 plus 6x 2ab yeah, plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equals 16. Now consolidate panna poren. So I have x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y. 9 plus 4 and 13 plus 13 minus 16. I am bringing this to the left side. So I have 0. So now I have x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 3 equals 0. So this is my equation 2. The circle with center minus 3, 2 and radius 4. Okay. Find the center. Example 3. Example 3. Find the center and the radius of the circle with equation x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 equals 0. Okay. So, now first center or radius we found the equation. Now they have given the equation, we have to find the center and the radius. So how do you do this? You take x terms together, you take y terms together, you take the constant to your right side. And radius is equal to r square. Yeah? What is your form? It is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. So I am trying to take the constants to the right and the coefficients which have x and y, I am going to retain it in the left side. Okay. So I have x square plus 8x, this is term plus y square plus 10y equals 8. So by using the method of completing the square, so what do I have? In that I have a square plus 2ab term. What is my b square? I don't know. So what is my 2ab? My 2ab is 8x. So when I compare the both, what do I have? 2 times a x because it's x square, yeah? X square plus 8x. 2 times x times, then what should my b be? What is left? 8x divided by 2x and 4. So this is my b. So what is my b square? It is 4 square. So I have to add a term 4 square for this term to obtain the equation a plus b whole square, which is nothing but x plus 4 the whole square. What do I have? A square plus 2ab term. I am missing the b square term, right? So how do I find what my b is? I take my 2ab term. I have 2, a another x the whole square. So it is x. What is my b? Whatever is left. So I have 8x equals 2x times b. So what is my b? It is 8x divided by 2x. So I have my b to be 4. So it is 2ab. If my b is 4, what is my b square? 4 square. Okay. So now with this, I obtain x plus 4 the whole square. So in the pakam 4 square add panna, in the pakam 4 square add panna. Correct? We'll do that in the next step. So similarly, what do I do with this term? Here it's again a square plus 2ab plus b square, where my 2ab is 10y. Appo idu eppadi ezhudalam? 2 times y times what is remaining? 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 times y. So what is my b? I'll be getting 5 square. So it is x square. So it is y square plus 10y plus 5 square. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square, where your a is y and your b is 5. What happens here? X square plus 8x plus 4 square, which is 16, plus y square plus 10y plus 5 square, which is 25, equals 8. I added a 16 and a 25 here. So I am supposed to add 16 and a 25 here in order not to change the equation. So what do I have now? This is x plus 4 the whole square plus y plus 5 the whole square equals 16 plus 8 plus 25. So you get 49. So if I rewrite pannalam, I can write it as, in the formula I have to bring this in the form of this equation. So I have x minus of minus 4 the whole square plus y minus of minus 5 the whole square equals 7 square. So what is my h? Minus 4. What is my k? Minus 5. And this is my r square. So enoda center enna? My center is minus 4 comma minus 5 is the center of the circle, and r equals 7 is the radius. Clear?